Cheesecake offers a pastry chef a blank canvas for possibilities, and cheesecake pops are a fantastic way to express your creativity. So all I do is simply take the New York-style cheesecake that I made earlier, and then I find a third is all I need. I'll take this whole piece of cheesecake and put it in the mixer. And then I'm going to blend it up, and that's so I can put crust pieces throughout the cheesecake filling. I just have a little tray lined with parchment paper and a small scoop that has been warmed in some hot water. And then I just scoop portions of the cheesecake, there we go, onto the tray. Make sure I get some pieces of the crust in there. These are still quite soft because I've just mixed it up. So I'll take advantage of that and drop in just a simple lollipop stick right through to the base, and the cheesecake holds it in place. So what I do is pop them in the freezer to set them. I have a tray frozen, and the next step is not to serve them like this, but to dip them in chocolate. This is definitely the fun part. Just dunk it right in so it's fully coated. Tap off any excess, and then a little sprinkling, little pink decorator's sugar. And because of the frozen cheesecake, that chocolate will set within minutes. So how about a milk chocolate one? And just to remind you that it is cheesecake inside, how about a little graham cracker crumb? And just in the time that it took me to dip the milk chocolate one, the white chocolate is already set. And I've got the dark chocolate. And for this, just a few candy sprinkles. These are definitely party-worthy. And you can make them fully ahead of time. Just store them in the refrigerator until you're ready to serve them. So now you've seen it all when it comes to cheesecake. Some creative uses, you've mastered these techniques. So take these ideas to your own kitchen to bake and enjoy.